the fossil fuel option is the more economical option, and this is because the way we make hydrogen through fossil fuels is much cheaper, but it also still has its disadvantages. And this is because the CO2 emissions that come from fossil fuels when they make hydrogen can have detrimental effects in our environment. So we need to find a new way to produce hydrogen which is environmentally friendly. Green hydrogen, first of all, is made through water electrolysis, and water is the reactant. So you make hydrogen on a cathode and you make oxygen on the anode. But the hydrogen that is currently produced, there's not enough of it being produced at the moment at a good cost for it to be economically viable. Hi, I'm Michelle Browne, and I'm the head of the Helmholtz Young Investigator Group, Electrocatalysis, Synthesis to Devices. We at Helmholtz-Zentrum Berlin are trying to tackle this problem by 3 critical steps. So first of all, we want to make better materials that have high performances than the current state-of-the-art materials. Second, we want to use our synchrotron BESI to look at these materials operando and to understand why these materials are better than the state-of-the-art. And third, we want to then work with industrial partners to scale up these materials into larger scale devices. From materials discovery to sustainable solutions.